Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Welcome to MasterCadx. Last tutorial we discussed is the introduction part. Today we are going to discuss how to construct this V-block body. In the V-block body, it is given a front view, top view, and a side view. In this one here. So I start from the first is base. Okay, that is a top view. Means this I am going to construct. Next, it is using the plane. Okay, in the back side, I'll construct this one. Okay, so now I will start from the top view. So I will draw this top view and making the extrude, and this is a top view, and extrude this distance. That distance is given 19 mm. So for that one I require the distance from, now first I will draw it is a square, sorry, rectangular. The rectangular size from this point to up to over it is given, it is 89 up to over here. Okay, so this is minus 5, means 89 minus 5, it is become, it is 84. In this distance is become 84, and this distance is become, they given over here, it is 48. So 84 minus 48, I'll construct first over here. So we go to the new, I'll standard IPT. Next I change the tool first, the unit it is millimeter. Next in the 3D model I construct the view or rectangular. So in the rectangular, okay, I start from the midpoint. So distance was, this is 84 and this one is 48. Now up to here is over. Now I'll take the line and using the find out the distance. So that distance is given from the half, it is 33 is given. So 33 minus this 48 means 48 minus 33. Okay, so it is 15 divided by 2. Okay, it is 48 minus 33 divided by 2. So that means this is 7.5 and this is 7.5. Next the distance is, so this distance is the directly given, it is 5. The next distance was is given, it is 33. Okay, minus 27. 33 minus 27 divided by 2, that is 3 mm. Now this, the distance is given directly, it is 11 mm. Next the distance from, you can see that if I zoom this one, so now here the distance from this one also it is become, again it is 3 because it is a given, it is a 27, the same line. Okay, so this 33 minus 27 already we know it is 6 mm. So again it is 3 and enter. So now from here it is over. Now I'll take it is the reverse case over here from the midpoint. So I'll take it is a 2 mm and there is a height is given, it is 5. Okay, and I will join this line. So this is the best method. So I will take that is the, I'll come back over here. Now from this point it is 2 mm. Next, this will be 5 mm, and join this, and using the mirror command I will replicate to the another direction. So mirror command we require, it is a mid plane, and mirror, this is up to this will be mirror over here. Okay, mirror, so I will take it as a line which I want to mirror over there. So this complete be required, and the line will be this one, and apply and OK. So now almost it is a plane is over. Now the unwanted line I'm going to trim out here. The unwanted line, so this is not required. This is not required, and the remaining is okay. So this is also not required. Okay. So now it is a completely is perfect. So now your top view is ready. So I will making the extrude using the extrude command. So finish the sketch, and the extrude is amount of 190 mm. And press OK. So this is a plane. So next one is I construct the plane. So from the back side, okay, I'll take this is my plane, and I construct this one, and I took the extrude from this point to up to over here, and that distance you have to find what is the distance of from here to here. So for that one they given 25 half, and remaining is again 25, it is a 50 mm. So total this distance is become 50 mm. So first I will construct this plane over there, okay, in the back side. So means we require the plane from here. So now I will start from the back side. So where it is the distance is given. So this distance is from here to here, the distance is given. So now, so this distance is not given in a, for that one I will take the assume that the distance is in between 33 and 48. So that's why I take the distance is, this total distance is 40. So 40 means, so this is a 48 minus 40 means 8 mm. So means this is 4 mm and this is a 4 mm, which I am going to assume over here. Okay. So now I'll take that is a plane. So we just start from here. Okay. So this will be 40 means it is a 20. Next height will be, that is, we know that the distance is, this is 32 and this is the 19. So 32 minus 19. Next, this distance is, we know that is a 4 mm. So that we calculated. The next, this distance is, we know that is 38 minus 32. Next, this distance is, that you have to calculate it, that is 48 minus 27. 48 minus 27 divided by 2 means it is 10.5. Next, this height will be, it is 43 minus 38. Okay, 43 minus 38. Forty-eight minus 33. So it is not 33, it is 38. 43 minus 38. 43 minus 38. Okay. Next, this distance is 27, 33 minus 27, it is 6 mm divided by 3. So divided by 2, it is 3 mm and 3 mm. Next, this height, that is 54 minus 43. Next, this will be again 27 minus 33 minus 27, again it is 3 mm. Next, we are going to close, but we don't know that what is that this distance. So that distance is given, that is 38 from the midpoint. Then it is this distance is given. Okay, so that distance you have to identify what is the distance of this one. So this distance is, okay, so this distance is given. Okay, the distance is given, it is 4 mm. Okay, so that distance means it is a 2 mm. I will take it is the distance. First is 38. I will close up to over here. Next, I'll take the a point from this to up to over here. So that is 38. Next the distance is 2 mm. Next the 3 mm is given. Okay, you can see over here the 3 mm is given, and close it. So similarly, you have to make it a replica. But I go to the mirror, so I select all the plane which I want to make it a replica, and mirror plane is this one. Apply. So the half portion is over. So now the unwanted line deleted, so which is not required for you, and I will close this plane by using this command. Okay, so this is my plane. I finish the sketch, extrude, and the extrude distance is, we calculate is 25 and another is 25. It is total is 50, and direction is opposite side, and press OK. So means half portion is over. The next one, there is one groove. You can see that a weak type of groove here. This is a groove. That is the depth is the 3 mm is given, and how to find that what is the total distance. So now I have to take this groove from over here, which is a 3 mm. The depth is 3 mm. Okay, so that depth is 3 mm. And we assume that the angle is not given out here. Regarding for that one, there is no any angle is given. So I will assume that if I take this is the depth is 3 mm, then it is a right angle to over here. So for that one, take the plane. Okay, so this is my another one. So from this is my line, and I take the one another line which is offset from here to here, that is a 3 mm is given, and that offset distance is the given. Okay, the offset distance is given, it is 3 mm. So I will make it the project geometry this one, and so from here to this distance, and from this one to up to here. So now I will making that it is a dimension is from here to up to this one, it is 60. Okay, so automatically it take that remaining it is 60. We know that is the total is 180, and the remaining line I am going to delete. Next, using the it is a extrude command, my side and distance is all, and it is cut. Now next one, there is a slot. I can see that here. That slot is given which is 63, and that is I have to select this is my plane. I take the sketch. Okay, from here to here the distance is given, it is I'm making that is project geometry, and the distance is from here to this one sorry, so project geometry and half of this one. Okay, so that distance is given is 63. Next, so from this half section which was given a 25 means is a 12.5, and the total is 50. Sorry, total is 25. Okay, and now there are two circles are there. Radius is 3 mm. It is 3 means dia is 6, and again the dia is 6, and the trim this line which is not required. Okay, and this line also not required. So I'll delete that remaining line which is not required for us. Finish the sketch. Sorry, there is a one line you can see over here, and again I'll go to the edit the sketch, delete this line and finish the sketch. Next, the depth is given for that one, it is 1 mm. Depth is 1 mm. That's okay. Now almost the section is over. Now there is a two hole are there, you can see over there. The two hole is from this is a one hole and the top view is another hole. So for that one I'll take the bottom plane and the hole is throughout, okay, which is 8 mm and distance is 24 and 25. So for that one I take that it is a bottom view, the circle dimension it is 8 mm as I mentioned, and the distance from here to this one it is 25, and obviously this distance is 24 from this one to up to this one is 24 only because it is a half section. This is not required only. Okay, so now finish the sketch, extrude in opposite direction and distance is all and it is cut and press OK. So now that hole is created. You can see this same hole will be created like this. Now there is a hole is another one and that we can see over here. Okay, this is a cut section actually. This whatever you have seen that over here, this hole over here, the cut from this plane over here. Now there is a hole which is another same. The dia is now it is a 10 mm. So for that one, we have to take the distance is 25 by 25. You can see this 25 and this is a 25. So now, so I will go to the sketch and you have to now properly you have to select this is my up plane now. Okay, I'll take the project geometry and I take a circle which is 10 mm. Only have to give the distance dimension is from this point to up to here it is 25 and this to up to here it is 25. Finish the sketch and extrude, distance is all and is cut and press OK. So this is my final body part and I will save this file first. Okay, by VBlock body. So this is my final body. Now I have to change the material. The material it is made of, it is a cast iron. Okay. Cast iron. Apply close. Which is we discussed in that in a introduction chapter. Thank you for watching. In next video we are going to discuss how to draw